Sapegina. I'm a bead artist, teacher and exhibitor from Russia, specializing in three-dimensional artistic beading. I have been creating trees and flowers out of beads since 2007. That was time when I absolutely and completely fell in love with French beading. I saw in such beadwork the unique and fabulous things that you could create by your own hands. Let me tell you my long story short. After some practice with beading books, I understood that it was my life work with great expectations and opportunities. I graduated from the university in 2009, and after that the most interesting and productive time of my life began. I was beading and creating things every single day like crazy. I produced a huge, in quantity and in size, collection of my own bead pieces and began to participate in numerous art events.
During the period of 10 years, I had more than 60 local and international shows and displays, including 13 solo exhibitions in such museums and exhibit halls as Bead&ButtonShow in Milwaukee, USA, Waterhall Gallery and Birmingham Metropolitan College in the UK, residence of the governor of Sverdlovsk region, Russia, Yekaterinburg Gallery of Modern Art. I am absolutely happy and devoted to my occupation. I intuitively feel the material and the process of beading comes with ease and pleasure to me. My art projects are dedicated mostly to real trees and flowers, or sometimes even to countries and women of the world.
Teaching is my second vocation.
I began to teach beading at my workshops and masterclasses in 2010 and had more than 100 students by now. Most of them successfully graduated from my 3-year-long courses. I am the author of 2 books from Beaded Floristics series, a dozen of magazine articles, and video tutorials on my Superbeads YouTube channel.
I am happy to teach for the first time at Bead&ButtonShow in June 2019.
It was my dream since 2012 when I first visited the show.
I am ready to share all the nuances and secrets of technique and technology with you and open a wonderful world of French beading that was once forgotten. Let's have a look at my classes and their schedules at 2019 Bead&Button Show. Super Beads Brooch is the first class that I am going to teach on 7th of June from 6 till 9 p.m. So that will be a 3-hour masterclass for beginners, and probably most of you will be able to finish a brooch during a class.
This cute little flower with 5 colorful petals and 1 green leaf calls back to a Russian fairy tale about an unusual rainbow flower that makes wishes come true. My super flower is missing 1 petal, and according to a fairy tale, it means that 1 wish is already fulfilled, but there are 6 more wishes ahead.
After learning how to make a brooch at my class, it will be easy for you to create a ring or pair of earrings to accompany a brooch. Pussy Willow Bouquet is my second class. It will be on 8th of June from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. So it will be a 6-hour class for beginners with 1 hour break. This lifelike Pussy Willow Bouquet is made up of 33 branches.
There are 9 different shades of beads used for willow flowers. This enriches the bouquet color scheme and creates an impression of full color scale variety on different stages of pussy willow blooming.
After learning how to make 1 branch at my class, you will be able to create a wide-scale pussy willow bouquet to decorate your house interior. If you are new to beaded trees and flowers, this will be the best way to learn and get inspired by French beading.
Widen up the boundaries of understanding the possibilities of working with beads and expand your skills towards parallel bead universe. Beadwork can be not just handicraft, but masterpiece worthy of museums and palace halls. Well, see you at Bead&Button Show in June!